thanks so much for tuning in. My name is Oksana, also known as the Canadian Biohacker, and what I like to do in these videos is share any new products and tools and tips that can help you optimize your mental and physical health performance. So today we're going to be unboxing Nutrafol's hair mineral analysis test, and I'm going to tell you all about my hair optimization journey as well. So a little bit of a backstory: I cut my hair really short about 2 years ago, like super short bob up to my chin, and I really liked having short hair, but then I decided, okay, like I just kind of want to grow it out now, and it's been slow. So one of my girlfriends really recommended Nutrafol, which is a hair supplement, and they have a formulation for men and for women, and they have a subscription service so that you can get your monthly subscription of the supplements. They look like this, so really nice glass bottle, and they send this to you every month, so they make it really nice and easy. However, it isn't very cheap. So like it is kind of pricey, especially living in Canada with the conversion and the shipping cost. It's like just over $100 a month to get these supplements. And I figured, okay, you know what? Like I'll give this a go and try it out for a few months and see what happens, because honestly, like my friend convinced me. She has gorgeous hair. It's just like long and luscious. And I figured if this is gonna help make my hair grow faster, let's give it a go. So I mean, I gave this a go for a good 6 months. I actually planned to take this for 3 months, but then I just kept forgetting to cancel the subscription and they kept sending me the bottles. So it was like, all right, I'll keep taking them. It happens. So I gave this a go for 6 months, and I honestly like didn't really see that much of a difference in my hair growth, like how fast it was growing, or the thickness or anything like that. Like it was just kind of growing the way it normally does, which is pretty slow, I think, at least. So they have pretty good ingredients in here. They have vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D. So there's zinc in here and biotin, which both of those can help with hair structure and hair growth. If you're low on zinc, it can like kind of really affect your hair. They also have collagen in here. So some of these I was taking on a daily basis anyways, but I figured, you know what, like they make it really easy by putting this all into these capsules that you can take every day and like not think about it. So I gave it a go for 6 months. Didn't really notice a difference, got in touch with them finally and was like, hey, I want to cancel my subscription. So when you go to cancel your subscription, your account basically gets put on hold with Nutrafol, and then they have one of their reps to reach out to you to basically like find out what the issue is. So I had them reach out to me, and they were basically like, you know what, if you're not seeing a difference, it'd be helpful to take a hair mineral analysis test and then have a consultation with a naturopathic doctor. So I didn't even know that was like an option with Nutrafol, but it's pretty cool that they offer that. I mean, these hair mineral analysis tests, if you get them done with a private clinic or like a functional medicine doctor or an ND, they can run, a few $100s. So I was like, yeah, bring it on, send me the test, I'll take this. So they sent me the test and I finally got it in mail. This is what it looks like. Pretty cool, like good branding. It says, what's your hair story? So let's find out. So let's unbox this and see what's inside. So it says on the back here, I'll read it out. It says, your hair can tell you exactly what it needs. Hear it out. So it says, this is your complete, easy to follow snip and ship kit. They'll measure over 60 minerals and heavy metals affecting your hair. You'll get your personal hair composition profile and learn about your growth potential. You'll also receive a one-on-one consultation with one of our doctors for individualized recommendations. So as you may know, I'm all one for self-quantification and measuring and tracking as many biomarkers as you can to really get to know the state of your health and how that's progressing. So I've actually been considering doing the hair mineral analysis for some time, and I'm kind of excited that Nutrafol sent me this, so now I can do this. And the reason why hair mineral analysis tests are interesting as opposed to just a blood test is that your body is actually really good good at regulating the amount of minerals flowing in your bloodstream at all times. So, you know, if you're deficient in something, it'll kind of like take it out of your body to make sure that, you know, all your organs are getting it. And the same goes for metals as well. So looking at your hair can actually tell you or give you a good picture of status of minerals and heavy metals in your body. So this test is gonna tell me that. So let's actually look what's inside this hair mineral analysis kit package and see what I need to do. So it says your hair can tell you exactly what it needs. All right, so let's open this up. I'm never good at these things. Okay. Okay, so opening it up, ta-da! Nice packaging, nice coloring. So it says, decode the secrets to your healthiest hair growth. And then here it says, the more you know, the healthier you grow. I love that. I love silly puns like that. And then it opens up further, and this says what we test for. So it says, using advanced ICP mass spectrometry, our hair mineral analysis measures these essential elements in your hair. So they measure macro and trace minerals, heavy metals, meaningful nutrient ratios. Oh, and that's it. It says, just the hair facts, we prioritize your privacy. The analysis doesn't show other substances, health diagnosis, vitamins, medications, or personal details. So good to know. Opening it up further, I didn't even see what it says. It says what you will learn. Okay, let's see what we will learn. Your hair mineral analysis results can give you a better understanding of these factors that may be affecting your hair growth. Stress, protein digestion, nutrient absorption, sugar metabolism, thyroid activity, hormone balance, toxic exposure, and detoxification. Okay, so I didn't even know that a hair mineral analysis could test or tell you all of that. So yes, I want to know. Okay, so just seeing what's inside here. So they give you a little, this is for your sample, I guess. Yeah, so this is where you put your hair sample. So you snip some hair off and you have to ship it in. All right, you're gonna have to like cut some from the inside somewhere where nobody can notice. And then they just give you an envelope as well and some instructions. Okay, so you're supposed to fill out this hair mineral analysis wellness form, I guess about yourself. They ask you if you've treated your hair with any chemicals, etc. I've actually never dyed my hair, fun fact. So you fill that out, and then here they give you some instructions for how to actually take and send in your hair sample. So yeah, basically you fill out the form, you send in your hair sample, and it says they'll be in touch in 3 to 4 weeks with your results and your one-on-one consultation. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, and I guess we'll find out all of those things that I'm supposed to learn. So we're gonna find out like my levels of stress, how I digest proteins, my nutrient absorption, sugar metabolism, how exposed I've been to toxins, hormone balance, thyroid activity, and detoxification. So excited to find out. And so that is it for unboxing the Nutrafol Hair Mineral Analysis Test Kit. I will be in touch with my test results. I'm super curious to find out. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and follow so you don't miss out on all the other products and health tips that I'm always sharing out. And I will see you next time, friends. Thanks so much for tuning in. Bye.